Student Financial Services is a key resource for college students. They process payments, refunds, financial aid applications and awards, and anything else related to student financial accounts. In the following slides, you will learn more about accessing your account information, making payments or setting up electronic refunds, and how to waive the student health insurance fee. Communication is an essential skill for college students. It is especially important for you to communicate when it comes to your student account. Student Financial Services will primarily contact students electronically through their student email account and MyNECC portal. You will want to check both regularly to make sure you are not missing any updates related to your billing status. Please do not ignore any emails, calls, or requests from Student Financial Services. If there is any confusion, contact their office right away. It is much better to ask what something means or what you need to do than to wait until an important deadline has passed. Tuition balances can be made by the student, parents, guardians, employer, or other outside sources. In the case of early college students, some are self-pay and others are paid for by their school district. If you are unsure, please check with your high school and early college staff. Payments can be made by cash or check, or online through electronic check or by credit or debit card. Students may also enroll in a payment plan in the MyNECC portal to break up the balance into more manageable payments. Please be aware that there is a small service fee for paying by card. You can view real-time billing account information through your MyNECC student portal. Students will be sent one paper bill. All subsequent bills will be posted in MyNECC, and students will be notified through their NECC email account. Statements are static documents, which means they do not change, similar to a credit card or cell phone bill. However, if you add or drop courses that alter your balance, you will see the changes in your next billing statement. You can monitor any account activity between statements in MyNECC. Lastly, be sure to read through your statements carefully, as there may be additional information on them you need to be aware of. To access your personal student billing account, you will want to log into MyNECC online. To log in, you will enter your username, which is your 8-digit student ID number, and you will enter the password you created when accessing Navigate or your student email. If this is your first time accessing MyNECC, click Student Password Manager to get yourself set up. Once you are logged into MyNECC, you will scroll down to Important Student Links, and there will be a number of colorful buttons to choose from. If you click Pay My Bill Online, you will be able to view your statement and account status. After clicking the Pay My Bill Online button, you can view your real-time account activity. You will be able to see your overall balance and what your balance is after applying any credits. Students then have the option to click Make Payment to pay in full or Enroll in Payment Plan to set that up and spread out your payments. To access billing statements, you will click My Account in the upper left-hand corner, as seen in this and the previous slide. You can view your current and previous statements to track your billing history. Students can also click View Activity since last statement to review any account activity between their statements. Students are able to receive a refund when excess funds applied to their account result in a credit balance, or if they have dropped a course during the add drop period. Sign up to receive electronic refunds and have your funds direct deposited into your personal banking account. It is secure, convenient, and confidential. NECC will send an email to your student email account to inform you if an e-refund has been processed and when the refund will appear in your account, typically in 2 to 6 business days, depending on bank processing times. When in MyNECC, click on the Pay My Bill Online icon, then select Refunds. Be sure that the pop-up blocker on your web browser is off. To sign up for electronic refunds, click on Refunds in the toolbar and then select Set Up Account. Next, you will need to retrieve and enter the passcode sent to your email account stored in My Profile. Please note, only a personal checking or savings account may be used. Students with a credit union account should contact their credit union to find out their correct routing and account number. It most likely will not be the one that you see on the check. Also, payments made by credit card online will be refunded to the same credit card or cards used for payment. There are a couple important time periods related to refunds that you need to be aware of. The add-drop period is a period of time after the beginning of a semester in which a student can add or drop courses with guidance from the high school and early college staff. Students who self-pay and drop courses will receive a full refund for the cost of the course during this time period. This is the only time you can receive a refund. The withdrawal period is a time frame where you can withdraw from a class for any reason with permission from high school and early college staff. However, you will not receive a refund. These dates can be found in the academic calendar on our website. State law requires all students enrolled in 9 or more credit hours to participate in the College Student Medical and Accident Insurance Plan. Students are automatically added to and charged for the Student Health Insurance Plan administered by Blue Cross Blue Shield. The annual fall fee is $3,045. The spring fee is $2,032. This must be paid in full to receive coverage. If you are already covered by a comparable health insurance plan and do not want to pay the health insurance fee, you will want to fill out the electronic waiver form to have the fee waived. You will need to submit proof of current health insurance coverage. To complete the electronic waiver form, go to www.gallagherstudent.com/NECC. You will need access to your health insurance card or account information. You will need your group number, a mailing address, and to enter whether you have an HMO or PPO plan. In simple terms, an HMO plan means you are required to see a primary care physician or PCP and get a referral from your PCP to see specialists. This is typically a more cost-effective plan so long as you visit in-network physicians. A PPO plan means you pay a little more to have freedom in selecting any physician for primary care, and you do not need referrals to see specialists. You can typically see in or out of network physicians. If there is no address on your insurance card, you can do an internet search to find it. It is easy to get overwhelmed by the payment process. Fortunately, Student Financial Services is happy to help make sure you are on the right track. We want you to have the most affordable college experience possible, so please reach out if you need any assistance.